Hello dear students. Today in this class I am going to narrate you a story, The Enchanted Pool. This is the sub story of Mahabharata. So let's get started. All Pandavas lost in the game of dice with Kauravas and went to the forest. The sun was hot overhead and they felt thirsty. So Yudhishthira sent Nakula to fetch some water. When Nakula tried to drink water, the invisible voice stopped him and warned him to don't drink water, but he ignored the voice and drank water, felt drowsy and fell on the ground. As like Nakula, Bhima, Arjuna, Sahadeva were also ignored the voice, drank the water and fell on the ground. So Yudhishthira went himself to see what happened to his brothers. When he came to the pool, he was shocked because all his brothers were laid on the ground like dead. So he thought, what happened to my brothers? Are they met any accident? He was in confusion. He didn't get any idea about why they were laying on the ground like dead. So he asked them to wake up, but they didn't wake up. So he searched here and there, anybody are there like, but he didn't find anyone. And then the invisible voice spoke to Yudhishthira. That invisible voice asked him to don't follow your brothers because your brothers were ignored my words. I warned them to don't drink the water. Before that, answer to my question and then you may drink, but they ignored my voice, so they felt drowsy and fell like dead. And then Yudhishthira asked it to why you did like this, what do you want? So the invisible voice asked Yudhishthira to answer to all my questions and then you may drink water because this pool belongs to me. So that Yudhishthira agreed to answer the all questions which asked by the invisible voice. For that, invisible voice started to ask questions. It asked the questions rapidly, one by one. For those questions, Yudhishthira answered correctly, politely to the all questions. And the invisible voice was very glad about the Yudhishthira's intelligence and his knowledge. It was very happy about Yudhishthira's answers. And it asked Yudhishthira to choose one of your brothers to get back his life. For this, Yudhishthira thought a while, thought for some time, and he asked Nakula to get back his life. When he asked Nakula to get back his life, the invisible voice was surprised because even Bhima, Arjuna, and Sahadeva were also the brothers of Yudhishthira. But why you are chosen Nakula to get back his life? For this, Yudhishthira replied, I am the son of Kunti. I am surviving. But my father had two wives, Kunti and Madri. So I am the son of Kunti. I am surviving. Like me, the son of Madri also have to get back his life because she didn't she have to feel happy with his son. So I want Nakula to get back his life. When the invisible voice heard this from Yudhishthira, it was too glad about him, and it was too glad about his generous mind and impartial attitude. So the invisible voice came to the existence. It was none other than the god of death, Yamadharmaraja. Because Yamadharmaraja came here to test the knowledge and generous mind of Yudhishthira, because Yudhishthira born to the boon of Yamadharmaraja. When so it came to an existence and wished them that you will complete your journey in the forest. There are 13 days only remaining for your completion of your journey. So in your whole life no one will beat you, because you are in a good way, good attitude. So it Yamadharmaraja blessed them to be win in your life. So Yamadharmaraja blessed all his brothers, they got back to their life, and Yamadharmaraja wished all the Pandavas to good luck, and Yamadharmaraja disappeared from that place, and then the Pandavas continued their journey in the forest. Thank you.